That diagnosis is made by starting history taking and examination, followed by investigations, and then obviously when compiling all the three, history taking, examination and investigation, you make a final diagnosis or a probable diagnosis, and then you start the treatment. So now we have a patient. बाबा उम्र कितनी है आपकी?
लगभग मतलब कंप्यूटर के
70, approximately 70 years old, male patient. He has come with the complaints of fresh bleeding per rectum. Fresh bleeding per rectum. There are three types of bleedings. One is hematochezia, which is red blood per rectum. Then you have melena, which is black tarry stool. And the third one is occult blood in stool, which is not seen on naked eye examination, but it is seen on microscopic examination or by testing. So now this patient has got a frank bloody stool. So he has hematochromia. बाबा दिन में कितनी बार टट्टी जाते हो और कितनी बार खून आता है? 8 to 10 times. Normally a person of his age would pass stool once or twice a day, and he passes stool 8 to 10 times, which is much more than the normal. और टट्टी निकलती है या खून ही निकलता है?
नहीं, लैट्रिन
मिला हुआ. सो इट्स अ मिक्स्ड स्टूल विथ ब्लड. पहले खून आता है या पहले टट्टी आती है?
पहले तो मतलब ब्लड भी आता था.
पहले ब्लड आता था. अब क्या होता है?
अब दोनों चीजें मिल
के आती है. So initially he says, because why I'm asking all these sequences, because in piles or hemorrhoids, it's usually blood comes first, and also in fissure, acute fissure, there is few drops of blood, and then stool passes, which is very painful. Whereas in piles, there is blood, but it is painless. So main difference between acute fissure and piles is by the two. One is in which you have pain, that is fissure, and in which there is no pain, it is piles. Now, as soon as the age advances, the risk of malignancy increases. So, this patient is around 80 years, and he has a combination of the two. He has stool mixed with blood. और खून का रंग कैसा होता है? अब काला होता है. So, he initially had reddish stool with blood, with stool. Now he has blackish, बिल्कुल काला जेट इसमें बाल
मतलब कुछ काला है.
It's normally melena is jet black, like tar. इसीलिए कहते हैं tar, black tarry stool is melena. So it is not typically melena, but it is towards that side. So now in the history he says that he has passing blood and stool together, and it is 7 to 8 times per day. And any पेट में दर्द है कोई?
पेट में दर्द नहीं, प्रोटेस्ट तो है.
क्या चीज है? प्रोटेस्ट. पेशाब में?
हाँ, परेशानी है.
पेशाब में परेशानी है. So he has also some complaints regarding urine. क्या पेशाब जल्दी आता है या
पानी जब ज्यादा पी रहे टॉयलेट जल्दी?
पेशाब रात में कितनी बार पेशाब करने जाते हैं?
कभी 4-5 बार.
So he has increased frequency of micturition also. So now he has two systems which appear to be involved from the history. One is the GI tract, and the second is the genitourinary system. So now we will start the examination, and of course examination should again always be through general examination first, then systemic, and then local examination. तो जनरल एग्जामिनेशन में वी स्पेसिफिकली फोकस ऑन इक्ट्रस. नीचे देखिए, देयर इज नो इक्ट्रस. Then we see for pallor. ऊपर देखिए ऊपर. There is some pallor. There is some pallor. Okay. मुंह खोलिए, जुबान दिखाइए. जीभ देखो, टंग इज कोटेड. यू कैन सी लाइक इसके ऊपर कुछ हाँ कवरिंग है. सो टंग इज कोटेड. अंदर कर लीजिए. एंड टीथ आर अपियरिंग नॉर्मल बट देयर आर सम लॉस ऑफ टीथ. देन यू हैव टू सी फॉर lymph nodes and especially the left supraclavicular lymph node. I am feeling it but they are not there. Otherwise other groups appear to be normal. We will also see for axilla. Axillary lymph nodes. ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Apparently not there this side. There is no axillary lymph node. Then you see for, of course, 4 vital signs: pulse, blood pressure, temperature, respiratory rate. Pulse appears to be normal. Then clubbing and cholynychia and palmar erythema and spider nevi. No clubbing, no cholynychia, no palmar erythema, no spider nevi. Now finally you see for pedal edema. You press here for 30 seconds on the shin, both sides. This is the dorsum of the foot, this is the shin. थोड़ा सा है पिटिंग है, देख रहे हो. So you repeat it on the other side. देखो दोनों साइड में पिटिंग है ना. So there is edema, pedal edema is positive. So the 2 positive findings on general examination, of course, pallor and pedal edema. Now we will like to examine the abdomen. Of course, appears to be scaphoid. Umbilicus mildly transversely stretched. No visible peristalsis, no visible pulsation. Then there is no spider nevi, any change on anterior abdominal wall. Now palpation. Lambi सांस. Yes, you can feel the movement here of the liver. सांस लीजिए. There is hepatomegaly and it is significant hepatomegaly, that is 4 centimeters below the costal margin. सांस लीजिए. Yes, but this surface appears to be smooth. There are no nodules. We will confirm the scale of liver span. This is the 3rd. This is the 4th. This is the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th में जाके dullness से start हुई. That means the 3 intercostal spaces, the liver is descending down. So scale आया? Okay. So there is descent of the liver and there is palpation. There is a positive finding that the right lobe of the liver is enlarged in the abdominal and it is 4 centimeters approximately from the costal margin. Spleen is not enlarged and there are no other organomegaly. And bladder area, there is no fullness in the bladder. And of course, let us see for hernial orifices. खांसी करिए. Okay. So we like to do a PR examination on him because of 2 reasons. One is having urinary complaints, which benign prostatic hypertrophy is one of the common cause of urinary complaints in this age, and sometimes carcinoma of the prostate and even carcinoma of the bladder. Of course, that will require hematuria, but it's not there in this case. But bleeding per rectum is an indication for a PR examination and proctoscopy. दैट इज द बिल। बाबा टट्टी के रास्ते से जांच करेंगे, उधर घूम जाइए, उस करवट ले लीजिए।
कार्ड आपके साथ रहते हैं 11:30 बजे मीटिंग है।
11:30 नहीं, 12 बजे बस खत्म कर रहे हैं। दिस इज लास्ट केस। हाँ हाँ बोलो, करवट ले लो बाबा। टट्टी के रास्ते से जांच करेंगे, कर ले, करें कि नहीं करें?
आप तो ना कैसे करते हो?
हाँ बस ठीक, चलो पीछे घूमो।
करवट ले ली बाबा।
बगैर देखे भी बाबा इलाज नहीं होगा। आपने ऑलरेडी एक 6 महीने 7 साल महीने बर्बाद
घुटना
कर
पेट
दिए।
से लगा ली बाबा।
पीछे आइए। Now there are 3 positions in which we do a PR examination. The most common position is the left lateral position, which is also known as the Sims position. This is the Sims position in which the patient will put his thigh against the abdomen and bend forward, and the rectum area is exposed and brought close to the outer end of the bed. So first, before we do a PR examination, we do an inspection. So on inspection, we will see. चलो देखो। What you have to see on inspection, there is any ulcer or any fistula or any external hemorrhoids or any polyp. So these 4 things are to be ruled out on inspection. We can see some sentinel pile. There is a tag which is known at 6 o'clock position, which is in favor of a sentinel pile. So there is a sentinel pile, and you can see some external hemorrhoid also. So he has 2 important things and lot of hair around the rectum. So this is that inspection, but there is no fistula, and there is no other change around the skin. So let us have a jelly. Proctoscope bhi ready rakhna. So now if we apply this Xylocaine jelly, and we have taken his consent. You cannot do a PR examination without the consent. So we have taken the consent, and now we have placed him in the left lateral position, and now we will be putting our finger. The finger will be like this and facing towards me when I going inside, and then I will rotate the finger like this anteriorly and then the other side. So 360 examination will be complete. So first it will be facing towards me. So the finger is going inside, and what we have to feel, what the feeling is, any ulceration, any fungation, any lump, any swelling, any tenderness, all those things. And you have to see the face also. बाबा हम दवा अंदर जांच डाल रहे हैं, जांच भी कर रहे हैं. दर्द होगा तो बता दीजिएगा, हम देख रहे हैं, हल्के हल्के सुन कर दिया है मैंने. So you have to keep communicating with the patient so that he is confident that we are not going to do anything wrong. और जेली दीजिए. So now we are going to do a PR. First we apply local Xylocaine jelly, 2%, and then we gradually put the finger over this anal verge, and my finger is inside, and now we are going to move it up. Now when I am moving it up, I can feel some resistance just at the entry point, and it is painful. You can see the patient is wincing with pain, and now I am trying to face it anteriorly, and there is a bulge in the rectum also, which supports the diagnosis of prostatic enlargement as well as some growth which is at about 2 centimeters from the anal verge. Now we have completed the examination, and we'll see the finger stall. Of course no blood is seen, but there is some fecal matter there. So presently he is not having any fresh blood, but we like to do a proctoscopic examination. Proctoscope do. बस बाबा नहीं, पहले ग्लव्स भी तो चाहिए. You have to protect yourself. That is the first thing. Before you treat anybody else, you should be safe. That is why gloves is mandatory in these cases. So on before proctoscopy, we have done a per-rectal examination, which is known as digital rectal examination. Jelly कहाँ है? इधर आ जाओ इधर. Now the proctoscope is ready and we will introduce it into the rectum and then see what are the changes there. As we have felt there is a mass. Cotton to nikalo. हाँ बाबा. इसको पकड़ लो. बस 2 मिनट और लगेंगे, बस ज्यादा नहीं. दिखाओ दिखाओ, लाइट दो इधर. बस 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 हो गया हो गया बाबा. देखें there is hemorrhoid at it's around 11 o'clock position. You see the hemorrhoid? देखो अंदर फोकस करो लाइट को और तुम्हारा कैमरा. There is a bulging inside. See the hemorrhoid, big hemorrhoid. आगे आओ, करीब आओ. थोड़ी है, देख लिया. बस हो गया. ठीक. Now then you wipe it out. ठीक है बाबा. But why should there be pain? Hemorrhoids पकड़ लो, कपड़े ठीक कर लो, सीधे लेटो बाबा. आराम से सीधे हो जाओ. बस बंद कर दो, वीडियो बंद कर दो.